I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream in a very cold bowl, and we're gonna beat this until soft peaks form. We have soft peaks, meaning the peaks fall back over onto themselves. And that took about a minute. And we're gonna slowly add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. I also want to flavor this with a little vanilla, so I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon. It only took about 30 more seconds for these peaks to start becoming stiff. To stabilize this, I'm going to sprinkle in about a teaspoon of some unflavored gelatin. You could also use vanilla gelatin. And that only took about 15 more seconds. This is going to be perfect with our pie.